Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your end-to-end encryption password on WhatsApp. Ensuring the security of your messages is crucial, and updating your encryption password adds an extra layer of protection. Let's walk through the steps to change your password. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the three-dot menu button situated at the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the Settings option within the menu. Once in the Settings menu, tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup from the list of options. Within the Chat Backup settings, look for the End-to-End Encrypted Backup option and tap on it to proceed. Now, select Change Password to initiate the process of updating your encryption password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by the new password you wish to set. After entering the required passwords, tap on Done to confirm and save the changes. By following these steps, you have successfully updated your end-to-end encryption password on WhatsApp, enhancing the security of your conversations and data. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in securing your WhatsApp messages with an updated encryption password. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.